nasa pinakamataas na presyo na ngayon ang Bitcoin so far. Kasi sa mga di nakakalam, just this day nga lang kakahit lang ng Bitcoin ng $75,000. For reference, that is 4.4 million pesos kada isang Bitcoin lang naman. And for the reason, one thing is for sure, it's because of the current US presidential election na nangyayari ngayon. To be more specific, I think people in crypto are leaning on the possibility na si Trump yung mananalo this election. Kahit tingnan lang natin sa Polymarket, which is like a betting site sa may crypto, a lot of people are betting their money on the possibility na si Trump kayo mananalo. And sa mga hindi kasi nakakalam, Trump has been very vocal on being pro-crypto, na kahit siya nga mismo ay nag-interact din dito by selling his own NFTs. If he will actually push through with this, we'll never know. Kasi alam naman natin mga politician na kapag usually botohan, marami mga sinasabi din. Pero syempre, this is more than enough for people in crypto to believe on. Kaya mas naglilin sila sa possibility na mas gaganda yung innovation ng crypto if si Trump na yung mananalo as a president. Pero syempre, this is still a growing story. So if you want to learn more about this or more updates, follow me for more.